Hey, it's Marina, travel experta, and today we're going to be talking about a really cool market outside of Oaxaca Central. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Let's begin. Tlacolula Market, or also known as Martin Gonzalez. Yeah, Tlacolula. It is a mouthful. Tlacolula is the actual village, which is about 45 minutes outside of Oaxaca. And the reason why we found out about this market is when we did our mezcal tour, which I have an entire podcast about. You need to go and listen to that. It was recommended to be one of the most unique markets. However, I'll be honest with you, there are so many markets in Oaxaca. If you don't have time to go to this particular market, it's okay. But it is a cool market to go to if you're going to be doing like a mezcal tour and also Hierba el Agua tour. And I have an entire podcast about Hierba el Agua, so make sure you go to check it out. So we stopped at the Martin Gonzalez market in Tlacolula for breakfast before heading off to Hierba el Agua as a good way to break it up, because getting to Hierba el Agua is 2 hours. This is kind of right in the middle of it. And we wanted to check out a new market. So it's a really cute market that is outside. The market is actually on the inside, and all surrounding it is kind of leading up to the market, but it is streets of vendors upon vendors. We're talking like tons of different streets from all over the place. There are parking lots absolutely everywhere, so it's really easy to find. And you could go into the market, walk around. It's a local market. They do have huge sections for the bread, because everything in Oaxaca is all about food and mezcal. So you could pretty much find both of those things in that market. And it was a really cool little place to check out. We didn't spend more than an hour there. So if you have that time to go and see it while you're doing another tour, highly recommend it. But if you're going to go just for that, I would not recommend going just to see that, because again, the markets in Oaxaca themselves, which like I said, I have episodes about the markets and about Oaxaca, so make sure you go to check those out to really get a good idea about them. If you guys have been to this market, I'd love to hear your feedback or some other cool outside markets. Please let me know. If you enjoyed this podcast, leave me a review, share it with your friends, and remember to make every day an adventure.